Hey, all right, here we go. Harbor Freight, Cornwell. Hey, look identical, don't they? Look, same size, same width, same, Yeah, they all, that's a humdinger there, huh? But is it really a Cornwell? Did Cornwell produce this? No, they didn't. That's my creeper there that I gussied up. And that's its little brother there that it started out like. This tutorial is for our whatnots for the what Harbor Freight should be doing instead of what they're doing on this product. Let me put you over here and get you a little closer look here. And we'll go through the steps. I picked Cornwell because I have Cornwell box and it matched, and that's why I picked the graphics and whatnot of the of that. I mean, I could have picked Snap-on or Mac or anything. Okay, Harbor Freight. The cutouts, real nice. I like that. I like it a lot actually, and I like the trays. They were first ones I've really seen come out with it, so that's why I got that one there. And what I didn't like is I didn't like the 3-inch wheels. Didn't care for those at all. I don't care for the fact that this is some sort of cheapest vinyl that you could ever get. And I really don't like the fact that it doesn't stand up by itself. I mean, that's ridiculous. And I don't like the fact that they put the handle down at the bottom, away from your pillow. So what I understand is they want you to carry it like this, okay, carry it like that and put your pillow down there and lean it up against your toolbox or trailer or a wall with your pillow down there so you can easily grab it. That's no good for anybody's head or whatever, you know, come on. You keep the pillow up top. Keep it at the top of your bed, not at the foot. Anyways, so those are the things I don't like, and those are the things I fixed. Let me show you how. 2-inch wheels. Lower to the ground is better when you're getting under things, is what I understand. So I've got 2-inch instead of the 3-inch. Leather. Nice and soft. Like that a lot. Look at this. Ha, a handle in the back. I can grab it. This thing here, I don't like it. It's tough to grab. Look, one finger, one pinky. There it is. Love it. Matching wheels. I had to match everything up, you know, because just that's the way it is. And so we've got the better wheels with bearings, no doubt. A lot of guys are breaking those wheels is what I understand. Stands up by itself. Oh, what a beauty. Better pillow. What else? Well, obviously better graphics. And the cherry on top is, oh, let's see. Oh, isn't that cool? I just had to put that in. Yep, so try to get the Harbor Freight to do that. Let's try and see what Harbor Freight's going to do for us. Come on, Harbor Freight, we're rooting on you now. Come on, buddy. Come on. No? Come on. You'll spend a lot of time trying to get that to stick. I don't think it'll work. But that guy will. Anyways, that's my tutorial of Harbor Freight, what they should be doing instead of what they're doing. And that's it. Thank you.